Instagram added a couple of settings that quietly share more information than you think. If you care about privacy and security, you should turn these two settings off immediately. Open your Instagram, tap your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top right. Here we have the settings, okay, and first go to the story and location. Tap location sharing. Here you'll see the Instagram may be sharing your location with other accounts or experiences. For better privacy, tap stop sharing location or no one. This stops Instagram from showing where you are or where you've been inside the app, especially in stories and location-based features. Now go back and tap activity in friends tab. Here's the important part. Tap who can see your likes, comments, and reels in the Friends tab. By default, Instagram might allow more people than you expect to see everything you interact with. Change it to no one. This prevents Instagram from broadcasting your activity, especially like every comment, every reel, to people who don't need to see it. These two settings take less than a minute to adjust, but they make a huge difference for your privacy on Instagram. Turn them off, stay protected, and follow for more quick tips that keep you safe online.